Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to look into a set of words starting with the letter K. In this slide you can see two words kin and kill. Kin means persons of the same race or family, as in Peter is Sam's kin. Now kill, it is pronounced as kill. Okay, it's an oven or furnace or a heated chamber for the purpose of hardening, burning or drying anything. As in he works at a brick kiln. Now ken and kin. Ken means knowledge, perception or understanding. As in how could the thief break open the door is beyond my ken. That means beyond my understanding. Okay, and kin means showing a quick or ardent willingness. It can also mean eager, enthusiastic or interested. You can find the usage here. He is keen on learning to play badminton. Now kenner. Kenner comes from the word ken. Okay, so kenner means one who kens or knows. Okay, you can use this word in this way. Osho was thought to be a great kenner. And kennel, you know, it's a shelter for a dog, as in the dog sleeps peacefully in its kennel. And kenning is a metaphorical compound used especially in Germanic or Old English poetry. For example, Swan Road. This expression was used to mean the sea. Okay. In Anglo-Saxon poetry, we find ample usages of kenning. Now knock and knack. Knock, you know, it's an abrupt rapping sound as from an impact of a hard object against a wood. Okay. Now knack. Knack means aptness at doing something. Okay, it can also mean skill or dexterity. You can use this word in this way. He has a knack for solving difficult mathematical problems. Now Nape and Nape. Nape means the crest of a hill. It can also mean a sharp blow or slap. Okay, you can use this word in this way. The hero gives a nap on the cheek of the villain. Now Nape means a lad, as in the nape is running on the road. Now kneel and nail. Kneel means to rest on one's bent knees, as in Muslim brothers kneel to read namaz. Now nail means to ring a bell slowly, especially for a funeral. Okay, it can also mean a death toll. Okay, you can use this word in this way. The church bell nails after the death of the saint. Now knit and knit. Knit, you know, it means to turn thread or yarn into pieces of fabric by forming loops that are pulled through each other. Okay, as you see in the image, she knits sweater in the afternoon. Knight, you know, he is an armored or mounted warrior of the Middle Ages. It can also mean a brave or chivalrous man or an honorable man devoted to a noble cause or love interest. As in King Arthur sat with the knights at the round table. Now kill and kill. The first one kill, that is K-I-double, it means to put to death, you know, or it can also mean a death blow. It can also mean to amaze or stun. Okay, you can find the usage here. That night Kate Winslet was dressed to kill. Okay, now kill, K-double-L, it means a flat piece of material anchored to the lowest part of the hull of a ship to give it greater stability. Okay, the keel gives a ship greater control and stability. Now kit and kitten. Kit means any collection of items needed for a specific purpose. Okay, as in during your travel always carry a first aid kit. And kitten means a young cat or a young rabbit, squirrel, fox, etc. Okay, she loves kittens very much. Now Grama and Grama. Okay, Grama means the sum total of a person's actions which determine the person's next incarnation. It can also mean destiny or fate. as in he died early because of his karma of his past life. And now Grama is a traditional Cambodian garment with multifarious usages, including as a scarf or bandana. Okay, as in the woman wears the Grama on her head. I hope you have learned some new words through this video, and wait for my next video. Thank you very much for watching.